Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're very excited to have you here today. I am here today with my daughter Ava, whose hair is in her eyes, and I hate hair in the eyes. I don't want to put it there. To share with you a 1-week family grocery haul from Walmart. Little bit about myself, guys, because I know it has been a long time since I have chatted with you. Of course, my name is Jen. I am 43 years old. I currently follow the WW or Weight Watchers plan. I get 36 points a day, and I get 28 points for my allowance. That really sums it up. I mean, if you really want to know a lot about me, you can go back to my intro video. I've got 4 kids. 2 adults, 2 teenagers. I've been married for almost 24 years. That's a long time. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the grocery haul. Like I said, this is for a family of 5. One of my kiddos doesn't live in the house. He might stop by for dinner. I don't know. So family of 5, 1-week grocery haul. And it was under $200, which is awesome for us. Right, girlfriend? Because she knows all of her bills. You're going to find healthy options here. You're going to find unhealthy options, hence the kids' food. And yeah, just all kinds of stuff. Even some cleaning supplies, which I don't have the point values for. Smell good stuff because kids stink.
That's Brendan.
You can't blame just your brother, girlfriend. I've lived with you for almost 15 years. First thing we have is what Ava and Steve are having for dinner are these mini corn dogs. These are not necessarily an option for me, but not 100% out of the question. You can have 4 of these for 9 points, which with 36 points a day, I could budget those in, but I probably wouldn't because corn dogs aren't necessarily one of my favorite things. There are corn dog options out there that are healthier though, but anyways, you will see those in another video. Sorry, I'm just showing you what I got today at Walmart. I'm trying to. I'm not doing very well. I'm trying.
It's called the wall.
The wall? The Walm. We call it Walm.
A wall.
We needed some more mustard, so we've got some of this. Ava's favorite, right?
Yeah, I eat it a lot.
You eat it a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. I needed some more K-Cups. I love the Great Value brand. I love the way that they're priced, and I love all the other flavors they have. These are 12, and I think they were like, what, 4 something a piece. Got toasted coconut.
I think it's a little Debbie stuff that you don't want to get.
Yeah, no little Debbie's. And then I got caramel pecan. And to go with my coffee, this is new. This is 0 sugar Friends version of coffee creamer.
I found it.
See, it says Friendster. Yep, she found it right here. And this is, let's see, 2 tablespoons for 1 point because it is 0 sugar, or you can have 3 tablespoons for 2 points, which I can't imagine ever having 3 tablespoons of coffee creamer in my coffee, but sometimes, I guess maybe I do. I don't know. We needed a can of cream of chicken soup. This is for one of our recipes we're doing this week. We've got 2 cans of brown gravy. This is for another recipe that we're doing. We are doing the KFC, what is it, copycat chicken bowl casserole? The KFC bowls? Yeah, the KFC chicken bowl casserole, if that makes any sense. Very little probably, right? She's laughing at me because I don't know how to talk. For the KFC bowls, we got some Great Value popcorn chicken. And this is 7 pieces for 5 points. Ooh, I hit the camera. We needed potatoes for a couple recipes. And yes, one of those is the KFC copycat chicken bowls that I won't say right. I struggle. I really do. KFC bowls. KFC bowls. Yeah.
Good job.
2 cans of whole kernel corn. One of my all-time favorite new snacks. And I don't think you guys have seen this on the channel yet. These are Famous Dave's sweet and spicy pickles. Now, usually pickles are no points, but these are 1 spear for 1 point, 2 for 2. Let me see why. There's 25 calories per pickle slice and 6 grams of carbs. So there's sugar in it, hence the sweet part, but so worth it. So worth it.
She doesn't share.
I don't share because they're mine.
And I end
You
up
want to fight for them?
I stole one last time.
See, kids.
You don't share.
I don't want to share, they're mine. Then for our Friday night pizza and movie nights, Steve and the kids got some Jack's Pizza. This is the cheeseburger flavor. You can have 1/3 of this for 12 points. And then we've got the pepperoni and sausage, and you can have 1/3 of this for 13 points. So definitely not worth my points. I love pizza, but there are healthier options out there, so I typically try to limit these. Yes, I do. Now, oh my gosh, get me on Papa John's and I'll eat my entire week in one sitting, but I'm working on it. I'm a work in progress. Then we needed some mixed vegetables for a crock pot recipe. I've got 2 bags of these. We needed some tater tots. These are actually my daughter's tater tots. What I needed for one of my recipes are these right here. These are the Southern style hash browns. For one of the recipes, I've got turkey kielbasa sausage. This is 2 ounces for 8 points, but the overall recipe isn't too heavy in points, so I'm excited to see how that turns out. I forget what's in it. I think this is what I'm putting the hash browns in. The hash browns and this, and then some peppers and onions. Squirrel, imagine that. Next, I've got my yogurts. You guys know I love these yogurts. These are the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurts. I've got banana cream. This is 2 points. Also for 2 points, I've got the tiramisu. This is my favorite right here. This one I haven't had before. This is creme brulee, caramel apple pie. This one I like, but you have to remind yourself that you're eating the apple pie one because it has chunks in it. And one time I thought I had grabbed the creme brulee, was eating it, and it was chunks, and I thought it was rotten. And I was kind of panicking until I read the package and it said caramel apple pie. Then I've got strawberry cheesecake, also for 2 points. And then this one is Ava's, and this is a good example of choosing healthier options. This is a Chobani flip. Ava loves these. This is a lemon meringue, and it is 8 points. So, gotta pick and choose. Could I budget it into my day? Yes, but I probably won't because I like these just as well. And then I needed some partially freeze-dried parsley. Whenever I have a recipe that calls for parsley, I go for this. They stay fresh for a really long time, and I feel like they just add better flavor than the shake-on dried seasonings. She's making a lot of faces at me. Then I needed some more cheese slices. For me, I like to do the Velveeta cheese slices. This is 1 for 1 point or 2 for 3 points. It is nice and creamy. It's not dry at all, and it's definitely my go-to, whereas this is one of the things I don't share, and the kids get to eat their Kraft singles. Right, girl? Right. Another staple in our house are these Velveeta shreds. These are fantastic. You can have 1/4 cup for 2 points, so great on the point value. And they are creamy, they melt really well, and they have really good flavor. This is something that I do share with you guys, don't I?
I like the best Velveeta mac and cheese.
She uses it to make her macaroni and cheese. It's phenomenal. Next, we've got the jumping lunch meat. I'll hold on to it. This is rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. It's 5 slices for 1 point or 6 slices for 2 points. This is one of my all-time favorite great value lunch meat options. And then my second is the oven roasted turkey breast. I don't know why this one is pointed differently, but it's 2 ounces for 1 point or 3 ounces for 2 points. So there's that. I wonder if you can see how many ounces are, let's see. Yeah, I don't know how many slices per ounce. It's really low point though. 2 ounces is quite a bit for the thin sliced lunch meat. Again, for the kids, mostly for Ava because she's already threatening that if anybody touches these, they're getting their fingers bit off. These are Boston cream pie Pop-Tarts. Guys, it is 1 package, which is 2 Pop-Tarts for 18 points. So no, I will not budget these into my day. I'm really not I love Pop-Tarts, but they're one of the things that I can resist. Another thing for Steve and the kiddos, and I know this is Ava's, these are the fried dill pickle chips. It is 20 chips for 5 points. which is really, I mean, comparable to a lot of the chips that I eat. I do have some lower point options, but that's not insane. Thank you, Ava. And these are the crab chips. These have the Chesapeake Bay seasoning on them, or like the Old Bay seasoning. They're really, really good. 1 ounce for 5 points. Let's see if it says how many chips. Yeah, and then 1 ounce is 20 chips. About 20 chips. So not terrible, but there are better options out there. Next, I needed some Crescent Rolls for an upcoming recipe. I am actually planning to record this recipe and cook with me, so I'm not going to tell you what it is, but stay tuned for that. Then we've got our fruit products. You just keep talking, don't you? We've got apples. These were a good deal. It was like $3 for that great big bag. So super excited for that. We got a great big huge thing of grapes. Yeah, people, you know how they like pick and choose the grapes that they want. So I just grabbed 2 bags and stuck them in one instead of pulling them apart and filling up my own bag. They'll be washed and clean. And we like our grapes. Oh shoot, I meant to get some sugar-free Jell-O to sprinkle on it. I wanted the blue sugar or the blue raspberry. Darn. Oh well, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Then we found some Cuties. These are a great go-to. Hard to find decent Cuties. These look like they have a little bit of green on them, but we'll give them a try.
Salted. They look hard.
I know, they're hard to find. It's hard to find fresh oranges here. And then Ava wanted to do some chocolate-covered strawberries, so we've got some fresh strawberries. And these actually, they smell fantastic. I'm probably going to have a couple myself. They smell really, really good. We've got 3 bottles of pop. I had a Diet Pepsi. She had Mountain Dew. Steve got his vanilla Coke. I'm showing you everything because I want you to see what the total is, because our grocery hauls do include cleaning products. A couple more things here. We've got some Glade air fresheners. This is called Stay Cool Watermelon. 0 points. I got jokes, right? Then we've got some dish soap. This is the biggest bottle they had. I think it was like 5 something. But we use a lot of dish soap. We have a big family. Here's a food thing I forgot to show you. The unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I love this to eat in cereal. I cook with it. It's a great low point option for milk. It is 1 cup for 1 point. And then we've got, what did I already say? We've got 2 gallons of milk. 2 gallons of milk. And then we've got a brand new thing of the all stain lifters, free and clear odor relief. Ah! So told ya. Okay, and I think that is everything. We've got all this stuff here, and again, sorry for the chaos, but it is me. We spent a total of $163.48. Guys, these meals are gonna last at least a week, if not longer. We've got some cleaning products, which we don't get every week, so I'm really happy with the outcome of this one. But, okay, Miss Yawny Pants, are you as excited as I am?
Yeah. I just want my food.
She just wants to eat. So let me go ahead and let you guys go. We'll get these groceries put away and dinner on the stove. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about point values or nutritional value, because I know a lot of you guys like to know the calories and all that fun stuff, let me know down below in the comments and I will get back to you. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Speaking of YouTube family, guys, if you're not a member of mine and you think you can handle my chaos on a regular basis, feel free to hit that button down in the corner and we will be instant YouTube family. All right, guys, thanks again for watching, and until next time, keep smiling. Bye.